Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, has strongly condemned the recent killing of 2 Liangmai Nagas at Lanka village in Kangpopi district, calling it a direct contradiction of the government's recent announcement regarding the reopening of national highways. In a press release issued by its IPR subcommittee convener, Cocomi described the incident, which follows the killing of 6 Liangmai Nagas in the recent past, as a deliberate attack against indigenous communities. The committee noted that the incident occurred just days after Chief Minister Kim Chan announced the reopening of the national highways, directly contradicting official claims. Cocomi also recalled that the Chief Minister had previously issued a strict 15-day deadline for the surrender of all illegal weapons during an arms recovery display at the 1st Manipur Rifles ground. The CSO urged both the state and central governments to immediately implement measures to halt the killing of innocent people and end all forms of violence.